Hello everyone! So if you want to adjust the volume on your Xiaomi Watch S3, first of all, wake up the screen by tapping on the top button. Now tap it again to summon your menu. In your menu you are to find your settings. Scroll down to your sound and vibration. And here, first of all, you are to turn off your silent mode. Tap on the switch. Now it's turned off. And so let's go down. Here we can find a lot of different sliders like media, alarm, ring, and so on and so on. Also here we can adjust your vibration and adjust your vibrate when ringing option. And basically that's it. Now when you're done, simply press the top button to return to your home screen and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.